This is John with WTI, and I'm always wearing ties, and I'm always trying to look elegant when it comes to my suit and tie combinations. And I wanted to get a polka dot tie. And when I saw this one, it was like love at first sight. This is the HISDERN tie, and at the same time comes with a pocket square. This is blue navy, and it has this polka dots that just looks awesome. The things that I like the most about this tie is how versatile it is. Polka dots always work nice with most of all the combinations. The materials are really nice. This tie has been through a lot with me already, but at the same time, having the combination of having the pocket square, you can put it in your suit. You can do this all these combinations. This ties from this company, HISDERN, is just high quality. So if you're looking for a great tie, different options, in this case, in this color, these guys have it all for you. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.